What's up, everybody? It's me, Freud Dukes, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to do a tutorial on how to get your Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5 to have an optical out, because for some reason they thought it was okay not to put one in it. What we're going to use today to do that is this Insignia HDMI audio extractor. I'm going to put that up there so we can see it. And basically what this is going to do is it has an 4K Ultra HD input and an output. Okay? And it also has a power source and an optical out. So what it's going to do is split the HDMI audio with the optical cable, and that way you can plug your A40 Mixer Amp Pro or for your A40s or A50s and still use it. Let's check it out. What we have right here is the HDMI audio extractor from Insignia. As you can see, it has a green power light, 4K Ultra HD. What you do is from the back of your Series X, you run the HDMI into the input of the box. From there, you take the HDMI out into either your monitor or TV or your capture card. From there, you take the optical cord, which is shown, plug it into the back of the box, and then into your Astro mixer. And voila, you have great audio again. One thing I have to say about this device is it does not come with any optical cables or HDMI cables. Only the power cable comes with it. Pikachu! If you stream on console and use optical and you don't stream and you find that your headset kind of sucks without the optical, get this. If not, use the USB. I personally thought the USB was crap. It felt like it was very one-sided. It was like either they were over here or over here. There was no, oh, they're, you know, southwest a little bit, you know what I mean? So especially for first-person shooters, this was like a big deal for me. I'm also sure you can find these a little bit cheaper. This one was $50. I've seen them go for $20 to $15 on Amazon. I went with a little bit more money, maybe hoping for a little bit more quality over some no-name brands, but it's all up to you. These work really well, highly recommended. As always, like and subscribe to the video if you found it informative. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch at Freud_Dukes. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you like this video, I'll make some more. Peace, love, and chicken grease, guys.